Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It is your favorite syntax sorcerer, the magical man with all the funny. You know what? I don't have jokes today. I'm sorry. I have a migraine the size of Texas. Actually, Texas wishes it could be this size of a migraine. That's how bad it is. So with that, we are just gonna kind of just hop right in today, and we're gonna go over the conditional and operator, which is the double ampersand. If you didn't know what that symbol is, that's the ampersand symbol. So the conditional and operator, it's used to perform logical and operations, obviously. And if you've been following my videos, you're going to see where this is going. It's an operation between two boolean expressions. Boolean meaning it's either true or false. So in this case, if it returns true, if both expressions are true, then it returns that as true. Otherwise, if one expression is not true, then it returns false. You understand? You get me? Don't worry. We're going to go over it. Let's jump right into some code so it makes a lot more sense. Right? So we're just going to do, in static void, let's do our variables first. Move that slightly away. We don't need all the... I don't know how to turn my, gain down, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to find a better soundboard and everything, so until that happens. Variables. And then we're going to go int num1 equal to 5. And then we're going to say int num2, but we're going to make that equal to 10. All right, that's our variables. And here we're going to see check if both num1 and, well, let's do it this way, actually. If num1 is greater than, num1's 5, so let's say it's greater than 3, and num2 is greater than 5. All right, so, and I did that on purpose. 3 is going to be, 5 is going to be greater than 3. 10 is going to be greater than 5. We want them both to come back true. And we'll go over the if-else statement that's going to prove that, right? If num1 is greater than 3 and ampersand, double ampersand, num2 is greater than 5, we're going to do console write line, yep, and then both conditions. Why are you doing this lately? I don't understand what's up with you. You're being so silly. Insert. Stop doing that. I don't know how insert happened. Both conditions are true, right? That's good. Perfect. And then that's all we need from that statement. So then we're going to say else. And then console write line. And then say at least one condition is false. Flaccid. All right. Boom. Right? So let's save that, and let me turn off my antivirus. You thought I wasn't going to remember this time. I'll probably forget again, so don't worry. Okay, so let's step through this code. Let's go ahead and run it real fast. So Control S, as we always do. All right, and then here we go. Both conditions are true, which is correct. We set both conditions to true. Now let's change num2 to equal 1, right? Control save, run. At least one condition is false. So we know that this is working correctly. Just say make that the same and save again. All right, so what we're doing, we're establishing two integers, num1 and num2. Num1 is equal to 5. Num2 is equal to 10. Then we're going through. Is num1 greater than 3? Yes. Is num2 greater than 5? And is num1 greater than 3? And is num2 greater than 5? Yes. Both conditions are true. Else, condition is false. Very straightforward. So if you're having trouble with this, let's just do our note-taking that we usually do. So let's go over it first. We'll go over like the regular part of it. So the I'm being brain dead today. The conditional and double ampersand operator is used to perform logical and operation between two boolean statements. Or, sorry, expressions, not statements. Remember, boolean means true or false. So, why do we need boolean? Well, if we ever were to make a variable and we say bool liar, and we set it to true, right? Don't ask why I used a period. I'm losing my mind. It's the migraine. Boolean, they can only be a liar, true or false. You can change this to telling the truth, true or false. It can only be one of those things. An integer can be any sort of integer that it needs to be. Remember, integers aren't just whole numbers like this. So, Boolean is true or false only. All right. So, we're looking at the next part of this. So, it returns true if both expressions are true, right? Otherwise, false. All right. So now we're going to go over like the kind of teach me like I'm 5 that we do sometimes, because this might be confusing to some of you. If you've been keeping up, then it's probably not confusing to you. So I want you to imagine you have 2 boxes full of toys. Sorry, my hands are hurting me, so it's hard to type from playing guitar for like 4 hours yesterday. Imagine 2 boxes full of toys. But before you can play, how do we want to say this? We'd say both boxes must be full, right? Now, we check the first box. It's empty. We cannot play, right? No point in even checking the second box. But if we check the first box and it's full, check the second box and it is also full, we can play. Simple as that. Alrighty, boys and girls, that is, let's control save, control S, don't forget to save your work. Anyways, yeah, lock and load like Brides of Christ. Let's go, people. Everybody, you know, dudes, dudettes, germs, germettes, whatever you want to go by. Just make sure you like, share, subscribe, help out the channel. I will continue to post at least 3 videos, maybe more, throughout the week. If you enjoy the content, please help me out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. I said that already twice. Good luck. Yep.